Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beginner chainsaws for maximum convenience, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER LCS 1240 40 volts max cordless chainsaw. The BLACK+DECKER LCS 1240 is a high-quality, innovative and affordable cordless chainsaw. Features a 40V max lithium-ion battery for longer runtime and overall life. On average, single charge can charge up to 5x higher and stay up to 4 to 5 hours. That provides over 64x4 pine lumber cut. You can cut any material smoothly and fastly with the 12 Oregon low kickback bar and chain. The lightweight design and tool-free chain tensioning allow for quick and easy chain adjustments and also easy to use. The automatic oiling system assures regular bar and chain lubrication, and the wraparound handle increased control and comfort. Moving on, at number 4, we have the CRAFTSMAN CMCCS 620M1 V20 cordless chainsaw. The CRAFTSMAN CMCCS 620M1 cordless chainsaw is a favorite model among users for good reasons. Within a reasonable price, you get a saw with a powerful motor, a chain brake, tool-free chain tensioning, and auto-oiling system for minimal maintenance. The cordless compact chainsaw featured a 20V motor for robust execution and fueled by a high-performance 4.0Ah lithium-ion battery that can run for a long time. With the 3/8 inch chain and 2 AMP-hour battery, the occasional branch trimming can be done quickly, but heavier stuff like 6 to 8 inch log sectioning will need a 4 AMP-hour. At number 3, we have the Worx WG 304.1 15 amp beginner chainsaw. The Worx WG 304.1 electric chainsaw is easy enough to operate, and it's also quite powerful. This powerful model is unmatched in quality, incredibly well built, a leader in the design and undoubtedly one of the best budget-friendly chainsaws available on the market. This chainsaw efficiently produces gas-like power. The reliable 15-amp motor produces 4.0 peak horsepower, powerful enough to deal with all your most robust outdoor cutting applications. It offers tool-less chain replacement that eliminates wasting time while changing. The controlled auto tension system manages proper bar and chain balance during operation. The built-in automated oil lubrication keeps the chain and bars oiled and rust-free. If any inappropriate action occurs, the built-in chain brake stops the chain instantly. Thus, it offers added safety and protection in the event of kickback. The model also has an ergonomic full-wrap front handle and rubberized rear handle for comfort and control during operation. At number 2, we have the Greenworks 20292 12-inch 40 volts cordless chainsaw. Greenworks 20292 is an ideal chainsaw for beginners to light pruning and trimming, cleaning up the occasional downed tree and cutting small amounts of firewood. As it has a relatively short blade of 12 inches, it is also useful for getting into tight spots and cutting areas that wouldn't be possible with larger saws. It comes with an extra chain. This 40 volts lithium-ion chainsaw features a tool-less chain tensioning for quick adjustments so you can get back to work at hand. The automatic oiler system assures durability and extends the life of the chain. The oil refill window indicator reminds us the oil level is low. It's compatible with any Greenworks G-Max 40 volts Li-ion battery system for higher efficiency and longer run time. It has a trigger lock to restrict the accidental startup of the machine. And finally, at number 1, we have the Echo CS 590 20 inches Timber Wolf chainsaw. The Echo CS 590 Timber Wolf chainsaw is very capable of using both domestic and professional circumstances. There are chainsaws with more prominent blades, but this one can work almost any situation. This machine runs with fuel and has a fuel tank with a decent 0.57 liter capacity to get you hours of work done. Furthermore, it goes with the 20-inch standard blade bar and can fit above the average of between 14 and 18 inches blade. It has a decompression valve that works by releasing pressure from the combustion chamber, making it easier to start the motor whenever you pull on the starting cord. An automatic oiler system will keep the blade and chain lubricated as you go. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.